Think someone else might be using your Gmail account? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to check your recent security activity, review connected devices, and secure your Google account. So, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your phone. In the address bar, go to myaccount.google.com and make sure you're signed in to the Google account you normally use. Now, tap Security and sign in. Here, you can review your recent security activity and check for any unusual sign-ins. Next, scroll down to Your Devices and tap Manage All Devices. You'll see a list of devices currently signed in to your Google account. Review the list carefully. If you recognize every device, everything should be fine. But if you see a device you don't recognize, tap on it to view more details, such as the device type and recent activity. If it isn't your device, select Sign Out to remove its access to your Google account. This is especially useful if you've previously signed in on an old phone, tablet, or computer that you no longer use. Next, let's review your connected apps and services. Go back to the security page and look for the section showing your connections to third-party apps and services. Review the list carefully. If you find an app you no longer use or don't recognize, select it and remove its access to your Google account. Finally, let's add an extra layer of security. On the security page, tap Two-Step Verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. With two-step verification enabled, someone will need an additional verification method to access your account, even if they know your password. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical Gmail and Android tips. Thanks for watching.